The imarku 8-inch chef knife is the essential kitchen knife, designed for professionals who include chefs, culinary experts, food caterers, as well as an ordinary person. The chef's knife is an indispensable all-purpose kitchen knife that can be used for chopping, mincing, slicing, and dicing. Due to the weight and the balance of the knife, it is wear-resistant, durable, rust, and stain-resistant. Ergonomic design offers a suitable cutting experience. Ultra-sharp edge makes your cutting more easily and smoothly. To make it more professional and minimize any fatigue, finger numbness or aches after holding it continuously for an extended time. The knife's handle is made from parka. This handle allows firm and more durable grade. It's known for its comfort, strength, and stability.
I'm a third-generation master butcher on both sides of my family, and oddly enough, both of my grandmothers were in the trade of butchery, so it's just something that's in my blood. Victorinox has been in my family for years. It's the tools that we've always used, and I just can't see using any other knife. I need a tool that's hardworking, honest, and a lot of integrity, because if I don't trust that knife, meat cutting is a dangerous job. I like a knife that just really kind of melts in your hand and is just an extension of you. It's just always been what I've used, and again, I can't use anything else. I'm Carrie Underley, author, master butcher, and the principal of Range Inc., and I choose Victorinox.